What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Sam2 2025 channel. Today, we're diving back into Wan 2.2 Animate. In our previous guides, we looked at transforming entire scenes. But today, we're getting surgical. We're going to swap out the character while keeping the original background completely intact. To get started, open our previous workflow. We need to isolate our subject using Sam2 Segmentation. Here's the setup. Connections: take your resize video and the B-box from your pose and face detection and plug them into the Sam2 Segmentation node. Model config: drag out the Sam2 model pin and add the download Sam2 model node. Crucial settings: make sure you switch the model to the 2.1 version and set the segmentor to video. Turn off keep model loaded to save your VRAM for the actual rendering. Next, we need to clean up the edges. Add a GrowMask node and set it to around 10 or more to ensure we cover the edges of the character. Then, add a Blockify Mask node, setting the block size between 16 to 48 works best here. To keep our workspace organized, use a set node and name it My Mask. Finally, add a Draw Mask on Image node, connecting your mask and the resized video. Label this output as background using another set node. You can also add a Save Video node here if you want to preview your background plate later. Now head over to the Wan Video Animate Embed. Using Get Nodes, pull in your mask and background and connect them. We're officially ready to hit Q prompt. Now if you see this error, Index 4 is out of bounds for axis 0 with size 4, don't panic. Your segmentor is still set to single image instead of video, and remember to switch the model to 2.1, since 2.0 can't work with video segmentor. A quick toggle to those settings will make that error disappear instantly. Let's fix that and run it again, and here are the results. As you can see, the character is fully transformed while the background remains rock solid. If you are working with longer clips, I recommend using the context option. It helps maintain consistency and prevents the AI from forgetting details over time. Here are a few more examples of what this workflow can do. If you see the image gone to a background, simply increase your mask expand value, like 20 or even 40, and reduce the Blockify mask. The results speak for themselves. High-quality characters swaps with zero background flickering. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into Wan 2.2. You can find the workflow files in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy prompting!